Imagine a smile that radiates confidence, a mouth that's home to healthy teeth and gums. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's the reality of a full mouth reconstruction. Dr. Artur Arkelakyan, a renowned dental expert, crafts personalized treatment plans to restore the health and appearance of your teeth and gums. From implants to veneers, from crowns to bridges, every procedure is meticulously planned to ensure optimal results. A full mouth reconstruction isn't merely cosmetic, it can alleviate pain, correct bite issues, and even improve digestion. The benefits are multifaceted, the results, life-changing. So, step into the world of dental wellness with Dr. Arkelakyan, where every treatment is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, a radiant smile isn't just a mark of beauty, it's a symbol of overall wellness. Embrace the transformation, rebuild your smile, and rediscover the joy of a healthy mouth with a full mouth reconstruction. Coastland Dental, your partner in dental wellness.